Chocolate brownies are irresistible. Their origins are uncertain, but they were definitely developed in the United States over a century ago. One story is that a homemaker from Bangor, Maine made the first brownies accidentally while trying to make a cake. Another story states that they were deliberately invented by the chef at a Chicago hotel. Neither cake nor cookie, a brownie is something in between. A moist, dense, and chewy square. There's no doubt it brings something special to the table. To mass-produce brownies, this factory starts with canola oil. They add xanthan gum, a natural preservative that increases moisture retention during baking. They blend these two ingredients in an industrial mixer. Then they add sugar, cocoa, and canola and palm oil shortening. They reactivate the mixer, and it blends the ingredients into a chocolate batter. The next ingredients are whole eggs and corn syrup. The massive mixing arm descends back into the bowl and whips these ingredients into the batter. A worker wheels the bowl to a hopper, which releases a precise amount of flour. The flour thickens the mix. It will give the baked brownie structure. After 25 minutes of mixing, the batter is complete. There's enough batter here to make 6,000 brownies. They transfer the smooth, chocolatey mixture to a machine called a depositor. A sprayer mists the pans with oil to keep the brownies from sticking to them during baking. Then the pans arrive at the depositor. This computerized machine releases the batter into each pan. It has perfect aim every time. Next, the pans enter an 11.5-foot oven. The brownies rotate through 13 tiers to bake them evenly. After about 20 minutes, the brownies are cooked. They exit the oven and head into a cooling chamber. Like the oven, it's multi-tiered. The pans move through it as fans cool the brownies. The cooling helps solidify the brownies. Then a robot arm with needle-like claws lifts them out of the pans and transfers them to the next conveyor. The robots are gentle, so the cool brownies stay intact during the process. The brownies round a corner and transfer to another conveyor. At the end of the line, a worker places the brownies in a narrow conveyor system that takes them to the wrapping station. A computer sensor detects their approach and alerts the plastic wrapping system ahead. The plastic unwinds into the wrapping machine as the brownies enter it. Metal wheels with grooves pull the wrapper under the brownies, and then heated wheels melt the seam to close it. A hot jaw then seals and severs the plastic film between the brownies, creating individual packets. A robot opens a box and sets it on a conveyor next to the brownie line. An employee then places 8 packets of brownies in each carton. They ride by a rotary device, which automatically folds the ends of the cartons. Then the boxes are glued shut. Finally, they travel through a metal detector. It uses a high-frequency electromagnetic signal to detect any metal fragments in the brownies. It takes about an hour to make and package brownies at this factory. but only a fraction of that time to enjoy them.